Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Hello, dear seniors and fellow adventurers. If you've ever dreamed of the crystal clear waters of Boracay, the stunning rice terraces of Banaue, or perhaps rekindling a friendship in Manila, then this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into the essential travel requirements for U.S. citizens visiting the beautiful Philippines. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to pack your bags and plan your next adventure. Let's start with the basics, the list of travel requirements you need as a U.S. citizen going to the Philippines. These steps are crucial for a smooth entry and an unforgettable experience. First, let's talk about the travel documents. The most important document is, of course, your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months from your planned return to the United States. No one wants a last-minute surprise at the airport. Next, a round-trip or onward ticket is a must. This is a requirement to demonstrate your intention to leave the Philippines after your visit. Now many ask, how long can a U.S. citizen stay in the Philippines without a visa? Good news! You can stay for up to 30 days without a visa, provided your visit is for tourism. If you plan to stay longer, various visa options are available, such as the 59-day visa or the long-stay visa for seniors. And for those planning extended stays, remember to check the latest travel requirements to the USA from the Philippines for 2024. Regulations and requirements can change, so stay informed. Health is wealth, as they say. Current travel requirements due to health concerns mean you should check if any vaccinations are required. Fortunately, COVID-19 restrictions have eased, but it's wise to have your vaccination card handy. Staying informed about any travel advisories or specific entry restrictions that may arise closer to your travel date is crucial. Safety first. Let's talk about the budget. The Philippines is a fantastic destination for travelers who appreciate good value. The currency is the Philippine peso, and the favorable exchange rate allows you to enjoy many activities without breaking the bank. Remember to notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your debit or credit cards. And a little tip, carrying some cash is always handy for local markets or small vendors. Now that we've covered the essentials, from travel requirements to budget tips, I hope you're feeling inspired and prepared for your journey to the Philippines. Whether it's the sandy beaches or the vibrant cultural scene, there's no shortage of experiences waiting for you. Before you go, please consider hitting that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels and happy planning, everyone!